Best practice number 21. Create a content calendar to plan and organize your video ideas. Best practice number 22. Experiment with different lengths and formats to find what works best for your audience. Best practice number 23. Use high-quality thumbnails to make your videos more appealing and encourage clicks. Best practice number 24. Use a consistent posting schedule to build a loyal audience. Best practice number 25. Have fun and be creative with your content to create engaging and entertaining YouTube Shorts videos. Thanks for watching this video. I have prepared 15-module complimentary course on the topic exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses. Grab your copy by clicking the link given in description. And don't forget to like and share this video and hit the bell icon so you can get all updated videos in future.